Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another valuable tutorial for you, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draft and fix your inseam pockets. This is very straightforward and easy for you to get, so stick around and watch this video from the beginning to the end. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to create my top margin line. You can use 1 inch, half an inch for this. Now from the starting point here, I'm going to mark 10 inches and I'm going to mark it again here and I'll roll it across. You can mark at 11 inches or less than that. Now from the side here, I'm going to mark 7 inches, and at the bottom here, I'm going to mark 7 inches again, and I'm going to connect the 2 points together like this. Now from this side here, I'm going to create my pocket opening, and I'm going to be using 7 inches for this. You can use 6 inches, and from the side there, I'm going to go in by half an inch, and from the top here, I'll go inside by half an inch, and I'm going to roll on it like this, and I'll roll like this as well, and this is going to be serving as my pocket opening. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is that from the side here, I'm going to go up by 2 inches. Please go ahead and mark your 2 inches. Now from the top here, from the half inch that we came in, I'm going to mark 2 inches from there as well. And I'm going to connect these 2 points together with my curve ruler. You can use a free hand to do this if you want. Now from this point here, I'm just going to slope it inside to the bottom line that I have here, and from the half inch there, I'm going to curve it like this. Now we are through with our pockets. The next thing that I'll be doing now is to cut it out. Please watch how I am cutting it so that you do the same on your pattern. So guys, this is it. You can see my hand fits perfectly inside, and I'm going to be using this to cut on my fabric. Now this is it. This is what I have on my fabric, and I left half inch stitching allowance all through from the side. Everywhere I left half an inch stitching allowance, and I'm going to be cutting another pair for it. So this is for one pocket and the other one is for the other side pocket. Now I'm going to be showing you how to attach this to your fabric. This is the trouser that I want to insert my pocket into. Now from the waistline here, I'm going to come down by 1.5 inches. You can use 2 inches as well. Now this is my pocket. I have a pair right here. So the right side of my pocket is going to be facing the right side of my fabric like this, and I'm going to secure it with a pin. And I'll do the same thing for the other side, and from here I'm just going to stitch down 1 inch stitching allowance. Now for the other side as well, I have my pocket, and from the top I'm going to go down by 1.5 inch again, and I'm going to make a point there, and the right side of my pocket is going to face the right side of my fabric, and I'll secure it with a pin, and I'll repeat the same procedure for the front of my trouser. So guys, this is what we have here, and this is the side that I pinned down earlier. I've stitched it down, and I've done the same thing for the other side and the front of my trouser as well. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to match the front and the back pockets together like this. I'll make sure that the top is matching, and I'll align the pocket as well. Now from the side here, I'm going to stitch round through my pockets with half an inch stitching allowance. I'll stitch it round with half an inch stitching allowance up to this point, and I'll do the same thing for this other side as well. I'll make sure that the top is matching like this. I'm going to secure it with a pin, and I'm going to match my pocket again, and I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down with half an inch stitching allowance. So once you are done stitching down your pocket, basically you are done fixing your inseam side pockets.